Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here on day one in Independence. What we have on this project is 7 King Pier IIs we're going to be installing under the footing to get it raised back up to its correct level elevation, one of which is going inside the garage right here underneath the entry door to the house. But you can see here the drop that's happened in this section. So we're going to have 1 pier there. 3 of the 7 are going to be going at the garage, so we're going to have 1 on each corner. This part you can see as well that it's sunk. We're going to have our 3rd one here, number 4 on this corner. We're also going to have another one directly under the stoop right here. And then we're going to have 2 more on the west foundation wall, because we do have some cracking going on right here. These ones are going to be more support lifts. We're going to go on the 2 on the west side. The rest are going to be near the garage. So for the first few days today, we're just going to be getting all the initial excavation of our King Pier holes started. All of these are going to be dug 13 inches below the footing. Just our standard King Pier II installation, 13 inches below the footing. We'll then place our load-bearing steel plate, our 2 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks, our King Pier, and we'll slowly start raising that pier up against the footing and start raising that footing until it's at its correct level elevation. We'll lock the pier into place, remove the jacks out of the hole, and encase the pier up to the top of the footing with high-strength concrete. That's going to encase the pier and make sure that that footing does not settle or sink again in the future. So this will be a good project to definitely look at the before and after, especially right here inside the garage once we get this raised back up to flush. So again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our newly redesigned website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.